The whole process continuously rotary drum carbonization furnace. How to operate. This is the gasifier to promote the liquid gas, supporting the gas burning. So this is actually a heating up equipment. So we need to open this, start this gasifier firstly, and after the inner temperature, which is 50 centigrade, then we can start a preheating system. Those gas valves is currently off, and also those are off now. After the gasifier temperature reaches, we need to rotate the drum on this PLC controller. This is the converter of the rotary drum. Open the liquid gas bottle. Open the valve. Open the pressure valve. These already set up well before shipping. You don't need to change it. Just check if it's correct condition. Open the air blower. It's helping sending the oxygen to the preheating process. Now ignite the burners one by one. If it's showing this, it means ignited successfully. If it's failure, you just need to wait for a while and then ignite again. So after all ignited successfully, we just need preheating temperature.好多现在。Monitor current temperature 500 centigrade. So now the flammable gas is already ignited. Because our local, the weather is very wet after raining, so it's a little steam. bottom flammable gas is ignited successfully, we only continuously feeding materials and then continuously getting the raw biochar and charcoal. So the rotating speed is no need to change every time. Just we need make sure stable, constant feeding raw materials. Then everything is no need to changing, and then we only need to waiting for the biochar discharging out. So that's the whole process for how to operate the continuous furnace. See, it's pretty easy to operate, right? And let me explain. After we need stop the machine, we need continuously rotate the drum until the temperature lower than 100 centigrade. Then we can stop the rotary drum. But based on our experience, customers they are working 24 hours continuously, so they working 6 days and stop only 2 hours, stop feeding material but keep rotating, and after that, after 2 hours later, they continue working again. So this is the whole process for the continuous carbonization furnace. Hope this video helps you to understand that and helps you to start your production line, start your factory, because it's easy to operate and no other very complicated operating, no complicated process. So this is the current newest design of the purification, and less maintenance and less clean work, and all bigger diameter pipe to ensure long time continuously working. Okay, so I hope this video helps you, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.